If you can talk in front of the camera, being authentic and real, that is the greatest skills you can learn on YouTube, or you can learn being a content creator. If you have the idea, you have the topic, and you are able to sit in front of the camera and talk, you get a perfect video. Some of you may be like, you are being inspired. I'm going to create 6 videos, upload it in a week. No, slow your roll. Do you want to have a causal relationship with YouTube, or you want to have a serious relationship with YouTube? Every single YouTube channel has a number. I'm going to take it again. Every single YouTube channel has a number, and these numbers indicate which one of your video should blow you up. My number was 270 before I could hit 5K views on one video. I just want to ask you, if you were the one with this 270, will you have the ability to post more video to hit your target? The point I'm trying to make is you don't know your number until your video pops up. As I was going through it, posting it, I don't know that my number is 270. The reason why I could know that my number is 270 is because I keep going. Some of you may be confused to ask how you going to get an idea to post. I got you the best solution. Just go to your history, start copying all those creators you have been watching for years. Start copying those you like, those you want to mimic them, start copying them. Yeah. You may be like, it's gonna be copy. No, it's not copy. You don't have any idea, but you need to do something. So start copying them. You may get an you may get an idea from one video, another idea from different video. Maybe you can get like different ideas from 1, 2, 7, 50 videos. You put them together, and that is yours. The best skills you can learn about content creation or about YouTube is to learn how to talk in front of the camera, being real and authentic. Just have to keep posting. You don't need the best of a camera. You don't need the best of the fancy background. You don't need light. Of course, you need audio. Your voice needs to be high so that your subscribers or your audience or those visiting your channel can hear you clearly what you're saying. And you need to make sure that you provide value. Value is the key. If you have the content, if you create a content or you don't create a value or you don't have value, no one is going to come to your channel again. If someone comes to watch the video and there's no value in it, that person is not going to come to you. But if you create a content which is having value, if somebody watches, the person is going to come again to watch more. And believe me, that is where your videos will get shared. And if your video is being shared, you get a subscriber from this person, you get another subscriber from another person, and that is how your channel is going to blow up. So you need to make sure that you provide the best value in your video. It doesn't matter how long the video is. The video can be short, but if have value is better. The video can be long without no value in it. That is just rubbish. That is the hardest truth I'm telling you. If you wanna scale up your channel, if you wanna scale up your video creation, you need to provide value. You need to provide value in your video. Just keep posting. You need to put yourself together against negative comments. Believe me, on this YouTube street, you're gonna get different kind of comments. So, and some of these comments can keep you down. You need to keep yourself together against negative comment. You just need to get started. You may be having, you may be at 12 now, but bet me, keep posting, you're gonna move higher. Some of you may be like, I've got inspired, so I'm just gonna start creating. I'm gonna start creating 6 videos, uploading it in 1 week. No, slow your roll. Create 1 video in 1 week. If you get 6 videos, that will give you 6 weeks. You can get enough time to sit, rest, and plan for another video. That is where the consistency comes in. You don't need to post a video today, post a video tomorrow, and you cannot post a video again until next year. No. You need to post a video every week, and that is where the consistency comes in. You don't need to post all the videos. You are wasting your emo. If you think that this video is very helpful, I just want you to leave a like, subscribe to be part of this awesome family if this is your first time appearing, and make sure you hit on the notification bell, select all, so that anytime I drop an awesome video like this, you get notified. Don't forget to share the video, man, and leave a comment in the comment section below what type of video you would like me to create. Until I see you in the next episode, peace out, man.